The number and length of wildfires have been increasing in the past years over the western United States and most specifically California. Wildfires are caused by natural and human forces, and temperature, soil moisture, relative humidity, wind speed, and vegetation are important aspects of the relationship between fire frequency and ecosystems. Wildfires are important to ecosystems as they happen usually in dry season and, as put in our course text, are a way of germinating drought-resistant species and fertilizing the soil. The reason many of these regions in the western U.S. and California are vulnerable as they go through intervals of increased precipitation and vegetation growth that are followed by dry conditions, which gives more fuel to these fires and can eventually be followed by mudslides when periods of rain return. These periods are associated with La Niña El Niño cycles, and we will see an increase in these wildfires due to anthropogenic climate change. Predictions from models state increases in temperature and vapor pressure deficits due to anthropogenic climate change have increased forest fire activity in the western United States by increasing the aridity of forest fuels during the fire season. These fires are expected to cause people to lose homes or businesses, destroy crops and agriculture, as stated earlier, lead to events such as mudslides, which can also be devastating as future precipitation events will increase in intensity and frequency over land. This problem of increasing variability in precipitation in drought periods, which leads to greater fire risk in the future for the western United States, is already trying to be dealt with. It is interesting to see, though, forest management practices have resulted in higher fuel densities in most U.S. forests except in the Alaskan bush and the higher mountainous regions of the western United States. So fires have more area to damage in certain parts of the western United States. Some solutions to deal with problems caused by wildfires are replanting native species and using animals to clear out areas populated by invasive species. Controlled burns are also being used to prevent long-term fire risk.